Okay, so what's Socrates? So Socrates is just a mnemonic that is used to describe pain. So as you are interviewing or clicking patients, a patient may tell you that they're having pain, let's say in the chest or the stomach. So you want to describe this pain in details. We'll talk about when it started, the location, the character of this pain, is it radiating? So this Socrates is what is used to describe this pain. Any type of pain. So any type of pain, you use the same Socrates. So the S stands for site. So you ask the patient, where is the pain? Where is it located? So uh, this headache, feeling the pain on the left side or the right side. So S is for site. Where is the pain located? Onset. You ask the patient, when did the pain start? So the patient will tell this pain started years back. So this pain is chronic. Or this pain just started last night. Or just an hour ago. You know that this is acute pain. The C is for the character. So you want the patient to describe the character of this pain. So some common descriptions of pain that is aching pain, throbbing pain, pounding pain, pulsating pain, pressure pain, pins and needles, or stabbing pain. When asked the patient, can you describe this pain, this chest pain that you're feeling? You tell, I know it's a pressure pain or it's a stabbing kind of pain. So it indicates that because every type of description will give you a picture of the kind of cause of this pain. Then talk about radiating. Where is the pain radiating to? For example, a patient will tell you, no, this pain started on the umbilicus. Then now it's radiating to the right lower side of the abdomen. To give you a picture of this pain, or the patient will tell you, no, this pain started on the central chest pain, and now it's radiating to the neck and shoulder. All these kinds of pain will give you a picture of the cause of the pain. Then is it associated with anything? For example, it's a central chest pain. Then when the patient coughs, that's when they're feeling this pain. So the patient will tell you, no, actually, when I cough, this is when I'm feeling this pain. Then time course. That's for the team. Then this part, you ask the patient, how has the pain changed over time? So I just want to see how the pain is progressing. Is the pain getting worse or is the pain getting better? So that's why the time course is the T in the Socrates. Then now we talk about the exacerbating and alleviating factors. That's for the E. So this is just straightforward. What's making the pain worse or better? The patient will tell you, when I lie flat, the pain is getting better or it's getting worse. Or when I cough, that's when the pain is getting worse. Or if I take painkillers, the pain is not improving or it's getting worse. And S is for severity. How severe is the pain? So this one is graded between 0 and 10. So that's the patient from 0 to 10. How painful is this pain? So the patient just 4. So you know that this pain is not that much. But the patient tells you 10 or 11. That's not that this pain is worse. It's something that you need to investigate more. Okay, so this is what Socrates is.